Basement watchdog systems are battery-operated backup pumps designed to protect your basement from flooding during power outages or when your primary pump fails. The system includes a control unit that continuously monitors performance and alerts you to potential problems through warning lights and alarms displayed on the panel. There are three main types of alarms you need to understand. The power alarm indicates a power outage has occurred and your backup pump is now running on battery power. The pump alarm signals that either your main pump cannot keep up with water flow or the backup pump has activated due to a pump malfunction. The battery alarm indicates problems with your battery's health or charge level, which is critical since the battery powers your backup pump during emergencies. Modern basement watchdog systems, like the Connect series, integrate with a mobile app that provides remote monitoring and sends alerts directly to your smartphone or tablet. Understanding these warning lights and alerts is essential for effective troubleshooting. Each alert provides specific information about what component needs attention, allowing you to respond quickly to protect your basement from flooding. When a basement watchdog warning light illuminates, follow a systematic troubleshooting approach. Always start by consulting your specific model's manual for detailed instructions. Understanding your system's layout helps with troubleshooting. This diagram shows the typical setup with primary pump, backup pump, battery, and control units all connected. For a power alarm, the backup system is running on battery. Check the electrical outlet first, then inspect your home's fuse box and circuit breaker. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working. A pump alarm indicates the main pump isn't keeping up or the backup has activated. Check for clogs and debris around the pump. The float switch must move freely to activate the pump properly. Battery alarms require checking the battery condition. Inspect fluid levels if applicable, clean any corrosion from terminals, and ensure all cable connections are tight and secure. If problems persist, try resetting the system. Disconnect power and battery. Wait 30 seconds, then reconnect everything and press the reset button. This clears temporary faults. Regular maintenance prevents most problems. Test your system monthly, clean the pump strainer, check battery condition, and inspect all connections. This ensures reliable operation when you need it most. Don't hesitate to contact Basement Watchdog customer service or a qualified electrician if problems persist. If you suspect electrical issues, or if you're unsure about any procedure. Professional help ensures safety and proper repairs.